Sitting on a land plot of approximately 6.1 meters wide with a plot area of 1838 square feet inside exclusive District 20 awaits.
Ladies and gentlemen, my partner and I will be bringing you to this well-renovated 2-story freehold intermediate terrace house with an estimated build-up area of about 2,500 square feet in Coral Park Estate today. Let's check it out.
Well nested within District 20 in an exclusive landed enclave, we are near to not one, but two MRT stations at Marymount and Bishan, with Upper Thomson MRT also in the vicinity. Retail needs can be settled at Junction 8 Shopping Mall or neighbouring Sin Ming Plaza.
Without further ado, let's check out the interior of the house now. As we enter the house, you can see that the car porch can fit in one car easily, with your visitors parking along the street.
The small garden is excellent for homeowners who likes gardening to put their green fingers to great use, or it can be converted into additional car park space if it is preferred. The living and dining area is also spacious, where family can spend precious moments together at home. There is no step up or down on level 1, making this home perfect for families with elderly who may not be as mobile. The fully renovated and well-equipped kitchen allows for a master chef to whip up delicious home-cooked meals for the family and guests. As we move up to level 2, you will realize that it is brightly lit during the day, with natural daylight flowing into the house with the high roof height, which can potentially be converted into a cozy loft or attic should you require additional floor space. We have 3 bedrooms on level 2 itself, where we have 2 generous-sized common bedrooms that allow queen-size beds to be fitted easily, plus ample wardrobe and storage space. In the master bedroom, we have a good-sized walk-in wardrobe done up, on top of a dedicated workstation where you are able to catch up with your work from home, as well as a customized bookshelf for the avid reader that can be also converted into a TV console easily.
Come check out this fabulous home in person today before it is sold. Contact Linda Teo at 9847-7772 for a physical home tour arrangement. AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.